What's up guys, no fancy editing today, no fancy video, just wanted to do a quick video on why I'm quitting Fiverr. Not something that I expected to do, but I've recently decided that in order for me to grow, then I think I need to leave Fiverr behind, and in this video I'm just going to explain why I am doing that. So I started on Fiverr 4 years ago. I was working a corporate job and I made a video gig for like $40, posted a video, and I got an order. And I think I spent like 10 hours on the order, and then I made about $40, but I did not care because I was like, well, if I can do this, I can keep doing this, keep getting better, keep putting my price up, and I can quit my job. So like a couple of weeks later, maybe a few months later, I had about $500 in orders on Fiverr, and I decided to burn the boats, and I told my job that I quit. And I left, and I said I'm never coming back. I made it very clear, and I relied on Fiverr for years. I started posting my videos that I made on Fiverr on social media, started growing a following there. But Fiverr has really helped me, but it's got its pros and its cons. So the pros of Fiverr: your marketing is done for you. So you have people just messaging you, and at the start this is great. Especially when you start getting tons of messages, you want to take on everything and do everything you can. But this also comes with its problems, and that is you can only do so much. And the clients on Fiverr, I found, typically, obviously it started off at $5. You get your $5 for a logo. Well, that changed over the years. My videos, I jokingly call it 500er, because I started charging $500 for a video. So you would think this is all great, but it also comes with this problem. So a lot of the people who are using Fiverr to hire to get videos, well, first of all, about the conversion rates for how many people message to how many videos you actually make is so low that you have to deal with a ton of messaging, which can be really hard work. It can be really difficult to deal with time wasters. In fact, a lot of the time people will just say hi, and sounds bad, but I just put it as spam, because I know those conversations, if what the effort they put in at the start of the conversation, expecting you to dig in and you to uncover what they need and want, is so much wasted effort. And if people aren't going to put in the effort to tell you what they want, they're not going to put in the effort to make the transaction seamless, and it's going to make your life very difficult. They're not going to understand your value. So Fiverr is great for building up skills and learning, but eventually you'll find a different kind of client base that aren't looking on Fiverr for videos. So when I started realizing how to make videos that actually convert, that actually get results, and then I started building up and following on social media, I managed to have clients like Commit Action, ClickFunnels, Travis Stevenson, Joel Irway reach out to me. And these are the kind of people that I can deliver a package for $3,000, maybe even $5,000, and they're not going to micromanage me. They're not going to tell me how to make the videos, because they've seen the results that my videos now get. They understand testing. They understand that not everything is going to be a home run. And they also understand that you hire a professional if you want professional work done. So they're going to pay the premium to get the work done. So the problem is I realized what would happen is, in a time when I don't have many clients, I would go and turn on my Fiverr gigs again. And in that time, in that messaging, and in those closing those $500 deals, and bear in mind, Fiverr take 20% off you as well. In that time, I could be doing outreach, I could be growing, I could be building my website, I could be working on getting leads coming in who aren't going to compare me to everything else on Fiverr, who aren't price shopping, who understand value. And that is why I've decided now to pause my gigs, to keep attracting these higher ticket clients, to retain the good clients that I have, so I can spend more time focused on getting them results and less time going through messages, getting these one and done $500 clients, because after 4 years I ended up with a huge tax bill, and basically I've got skills now, I've got high paying skills, but I didn't end up with loads of money. So that's why I'm leaving Fiverr. Just wanted to put a video out there. Remember the saying, what got you here won't get you there. So guys, if you want to be a full-time freelance video editor, maybe if you haven't started on Fiverr, then go over to, or you're early in your journey, it's a good place to start and get results and testimonials. Hit the link in the description. You can get a free trial with Skillshare, where I teach you how to make these ads that convert. I teach you how to get clients on Fiverr and get gigs. But if you want to take it to the next level, there's another link for my 7-step social media blueprint. This is the exact method that I've used over the years to attract those clients, ClickFunnels. Even Alex Becker reaching out to me, dropping me a DM, and he doesn't even pick up the phone. This is the kind of reputation I've built on social media. The world is your oyster. The course, the social media course is like $27, and the Skillshare, you can get a free trial, so you can go and check out. I think I've got 8 courses on there. I won't be doing any more courses on Skillshare or Udemy. Similar reasons. Loads of effort went in. I get people results, but I'm not getting the results that I want for my life now. So to move beyond that, I have to start creating my own courses on my own platform, getting my own clients and growing beyond this. Even if it's harder initially, I want people who understand my value so that I can have good relationships, fewer relationships, and deliver better results back to those people. So there you go. Just wanted to drop a quick, candid video why I'm leaving Fiverr. And if you want to check out those Skillshare courses or want my social media course, they'll be in the link description below. Wherever you're at in your journey, just remember, I started $40 a video. I've got other videos on this, how I make $5 grand plus a month as a video editor. Go check them out. Thanks for subscribing, watching, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck on your adventures, freelancers, anyone on the grind. I appreciate the hustle. It's hard, but what else would you do? What else is there to do? All right, take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.